Hi there, my name is John. I work for Brunel University within the marketing department. Delighted to have Abdul here, who's going to talk through the Environmental Sciences Master's Programme. Welcome, Abdul.
Thank you, John. My name is Abdul Chaudhary, and I have a PhD in environmental chemistry from the City University, London. And currently, I'm working in the College of Health, Medicine, and Life Sciences. And I lead this MSc program, MSc Environmental Management. And apart from teaching, I do a lot of research in the field of developing clean and cleanup technologies. There's a difference between these two technologies. One is that we are going to develop systems to remove toxic chemicals, and the other one is a clean technology which does not produce any waste.
Thank you, Abdul. If you could just talk through the portfolio of master's programmes that sit within environmental sciences, please.
At present, we have 4 MSc programs. The first one is environmental management. The second one is sustainability, entrepreneurship, and design. Then we have 2 MRes programs, MRes environmental management and MRes environmental sciences. The MRes programs are slightly different, the structure compared to MSc environmental management programs, because they have a very big component of research. In MSc programs, we have 120 credits at taught part, and we have 60 credits as the project. Whereas our 2 MRes programs, we have 60 credits as a taught part of the program and 120 as a project. So where students will be working on their project in our labs, collecting primary data.
Okay, thank you, Abdul. Can you just talk through the entry requirements for all of our 4 programmes, please?
Yeah, for MSc Environmental Management, we have a wide range of subjects. We have all science subjects, but it also depends on your interests and if you have some working experience as well. So we will look at 3 years of work experience, and then you will be able to qualify for the entry of our MSc Environmental Management programs. Whereas for MRes, it is very specific. You need to have some science background because you will be working in our lab on a very big project, and you need to be familiar with the scientific aspects of different chemicals, and you should be able to run some of the analytical techniques which you need to use as part of your project.
Can you just give a flavour of the different modules within the different programmes?
Yeah. For MSc Environmental Management program, we have 4 blocks, and they're all compulsory. And that will add up to 90 credits. So 90 credits are compulsory, whereas 30 credits are optional. And we have 3 specialist themes in our environmental management programs. And one is environmental pollution and monitoring. The second one is clean technology and the environment. And the third theme is chemical risk assessment and management. And that is 30 credits. So 90 plus 30 will give you 120 credits as a taught part of the programs. And then you have a 60 credits as a dissertation, which you need to complete once you have completed your taught part of the program. And then you will have your MSc 180 credits.
Why would students come and study these programs with us? What is the difference to these programs versus other offerings, other universities?
The difference between our program and the program which is offered by our competitor is that instead of learning just the knowledge and understanding, we develop quite a lot of skills. And when I say skills, you will be able to collect primary data from different environmental compartments. For example, you can collect samples, air samples, water samples, soil samples, and then you will be able to use all the analytical techniques which are present in our state-of-the-art labs. You will be able to collect primary data. And then we use quite a lot of statistical packages and R language for data analysis. And then you will be working, after completing your taught part of the program, you'll be working for 6 months in an industry, working on a project where you will be using your skills to drive or to change the environmental system of this industry. You will be helping them to develop or use sustainable development programs or sustainability aspects, and how they can manage their waste sustainable using solutions.
Okay, and the assessments that sit within the programs, just talk a bit more about that. How do they work?
Yeah, in order for us to find out that you have achieved the learning outcomes of the program, we have different types of assessment. We have exam. An exam is either going to be on campus, 3-hour exam, or it is going to be a off-campus open book exam, which is going to be very long. The second type is that you will be able to write your assignments. It is going to be either individual assignment or group assignments. And third one is you will be able to learn how to present your contents and give a presentation on different topics related to environmental management.
Do all the programs have a work placement option?
2 programs have work placement option. The first one is environmental management, and the second one is sustainability, entrepreneurship, and design. Now, after completing your third part of the programs, you will be working in an industry for 6 months, and we have a very well equipped professional development center, and they will help our students to find a suitable work placement projects. So once you have completed your MSc, you will be going straight into the work placement project where you will be spending 6 months. And most of our work placement projects are paid.
And the type of companies that you'll be going to?
Yeah, type of companies which we encourage our students to work are environment agency, which are regulators in the United Kingdom. They actually implement a lot of legislation to comply with the environmental quality standards. But apart from that, we have a lot of industries which are working on waste management or waste solutions. They are developing clean technology. So you will be going there, you will be helping these organizations to become more sustainable.
When students finish their degrees, which type of companies will they go and work for, and what type of jobs will they be working in?
After completing your MSc programs, you will be able to join any organization, whether it's a government or non-government or private organizations, as environmental manager, as environmental analysts, or you will be able to join any university, higher education institution, either in the UK or outside, to do your PhD on a very big project related to environmental management.
When students could start these programs, we have 2 starts, January and September, is that correct?
Yeah, absolutely. We have 2 intakes for our environmental management program. So the first intake is in September, and the duration of that program is 12 months. So you will be able to complete your program within 12 months. The second intake is January, and we have 15 months for the duration of that program if you are going to join the program in January.
And what percentage of students currently start in September and what start in January? Is there a difference?
It's 50-50. We have a very large intake. We normally take more than 50 students in September, and similarly, we take 50 students in January.
How much do these courses cost?
The fees for overseas student is going to be £20,000 per year, but home student is roughly £10,000.
And in terms of scholarships, are there scholarships available?
We have scholarships available within our division, but they are quite competitive. So we will ask students to apply for those scholarships, and depending on your grades as part of your first degree, you will be selected and those scholarships are only fees waivers up to £5,000.
We have some really strong academics here that teach these programs. Talk to me about the teaching skills. What makes you guys special in the classroom and in the lecture theatre?
The Brunel University is a research-led university. Most of our staff members are active researchers. They are working on different topics which are related to environmental management. And some of our professors, some of our researchers are highly cited in the world. So our teaching is research-led. So you will be getting not only the academic educations, but you will be getting the research-led teaching, because we do quite a lot of state-of-the-art and innovative research projects within Brunel University.
And in terms of Brunel's facilities, what facilities do you offer students that will come and learn about environment sciences?
Now, we have state-of-the-art research labs. And if we don't have any facilities, we have ETC, Experimental Techniques Center. They have all the latest analytical techniques which you can use to analyze different environmental samples. And then we have quite a lot of, we have a one-to-one tutorial sessions where we provide help to students who will be struggling to understand some of the topics which we get from overseas students.
Brunel University as a campus, talk to me about what students will experience when they come here. Why would they come outside of the teaching?
Yeah.
Why would they come to Brunel University?
The Brunel University is the only campus-based university in London. So we have a lot of societies. We have within the campus our sports center, which is equipped, so you will be able to join different these facilities, and then you will be able to join a lot of these societies which are run by the Students' Union. For example, we have Islamic societies, we have Indian societies, we have Pakistani societies, and we have Nigerian societies. Depending on your interest, you can join any of these societies to become very active member of our learners.
So you talk about Brunel being a London-based university. How far away are we from London, and how long does it take to get into London?
Brunel University is situated in the west part of London. We are very close to Heathrow Airport. It will take only 15 minutes drive from Heathrow Airport to arrive at Brunel University. And we are well connected with the central London. We have buses which goes very close to from Brunel University to central London. We have underground stations as well, Uxbridge, which is only walking distance from Brunel University, and you will be able to get trains if you want to go to central London.
And we also have the Elizabeth line, which is recently opened, which also goes straight into central London.
Absolutely. So we have a Piccadilly line, we have Metropolitan line, we have Elizabeth lines, and we have a direct train station as well, West Drayton train station, which is very close to Brunel University. You will be able to go there by buses.
Our international students, we have quite a wide range of international students. What sort of areas and countries are they coming from?
Yes, for our MSc programs, 90% of our student populations are from overseas. So we get students from more than 30 different countries. So 6 countries where we get most of our students are from Southeast Asian countries, Bangladesh, India, Pakistan. We do get students from Middle East countries as well. We get a lot of students from Africa, for example, Nigeria and Ghana. But we get students from all over the world.
What days are the lectures taking place on?
Yeah, the formal teaching actually we delivered in 2 days. Tuesday and Thursday are the full teaching days. And then Wednesday and Friday are independent. You will be learning independently because you will be working on your assignments and you will be getting yourself ready for all different types of coursework. But Monday we deliver some sessions on language, developing your academic skills, how you are going to collect information from different papers, and how you are going to develop your writing skills.
So once students have finished their degree, passed their degree, what sort of jobs and careers will they be going into? What sort of companies and job titles, and where is it going to take them?
Yeah, after completing the program, because most of the people who join our program, they are either fresh graduate or they are middle to senior managers already working in their organizations. So they will go back to work as environmental managers, environmental analysts, or they will be developing their skills as consultants. They will be advising a lot of industries, businesses, how these businesses will become sustainable, how these industries will be able to develop clean technologies for the treatment of waste, how we can dispose of this waste in such a way that they are not going to produce any bad impacts onto the environment. And you can join some local governments as well, because they all have environmental departments where there is a very big demand of graduate who will be able to complete this MSc program.
Are any of our programs accredited by any professional bodies?
Yes, our environmental MSc programs are accredited by Institute for the Environment. So this accreditation body actually look at the contents of our course, and they're going to look at how we assess. And during your MSc program, you will become a student member of those the organizations, and you will be able to join their training sessions as well, which we will advertise from time to time. So, and then when you are going to apply for a job, then you will be able to get this job easily because our programs are accredited by these professional bodies.
Abdul, thank you very much for your time. It's been a tremendous insight into environmental sciences, the postgraduate courses we offer. It really is appreciated. If you want to get in touch with Abdul, just email inquiries@brunel.ac.uk. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, John.
Thank you.
Thank you.